Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish is the mad scientist. Guys, today we had a bad storm and we lost power and I needed some lights. So basically Dr. Fish made a Listerine bottle light up. For this I took an empty Listerine bottle. I had some old LED lights laying around. They actually had a switch on it, which is pretty cool. It runs on 3 volts, 2 AAA batteries, or you could use 2 AA batteries because remember they're both 1.5 volts, so 2 of them is 3 volts. I actually had to tape them together, and I actually had to hold it together with a hair tie. You guys can't really see because like I said, I lost power. But that's it. That's the battery supply, and it's a do-it-yourself light up Listerine lantern. Always be original, creative, and explosive, guys. Always see things that other people don't see and make stuff that actually can help you in a jam. Like this, sitting here with no power. It really sucks. I'm gonna have to make another one of these real quick. But remember, empty Listerine bottle, LED strand lights with a switch. You could turn it on and off, just like this. Off. On. And 2 AAA or 2 AA batteries, because together they make 3 volts, which this LED strand light runs on. That's the do-it-yourself light up Listerine lantern. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Dr. Fish out.